you love classic Indo-Chinese chili paneer, you are going to be obsessed with this viral upgrade. Hey friends, welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Today we are making crispy firecracker hot honey paneer. It is perfectly sweet, incredibly spicy, packed with protein, and has the most insane ASMR level crunch. Let me show you how easy it is to make. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 400 grams of firm paneer cubed up like this, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, salt, pepper, and some water to bind it. And then for the firecracker glaze, you'll need 1 tablespoon of oil, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 inch of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, we're using Schezwan chili paste, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of regular honey or hot honey. Okay, so now we're gonna get the paneer ready for pan frying. So we're going to put it in a bowl and put the cornstarch and the rice flour and just a little bit of water as well, like a tablespoon, and then some salt and some pepper. And I'm gonna try shaking this. And basically we just want all the ingredients coated nicely on the paneer. So I might add a little bit more water. And once all the pieces are coated, we are going over to the stovetop and we are going to pan fry. Now I'm over at the stovetop. I'm gonna turn the heat on. And I have avocado oil here. And I'm gonna heat up this oil. This is good for pan frying because it's a high heat oil. So we'll just let this get hot. Okay, so now that the oil's hot, I'm gonna start putting my paneer in. And you want all sides to get brown. So we'll just let them get brown on one side and then flip them over. Okay, and when you see it's brown like that, you flip them. So just watch it closely so they don't burn. And I have it on pretty high heat. And you don't want too many in the pan or the oil won't stay hot if you have too many in the pan. Once each side is brown, put it aside on a paper towel over a plate. So I'm just gonna do that with each piece here. All right, and so I have 3 left, but I just wanted to show you this is what it looks like when it's all golden brown. And while the paneer is cooling down, we are going to make the sauce. So we're gonna heat up the wok style pan to medium high, and we're gonna heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. So we'll just wait for this to get hot. All right, and now we're going to add our minced garlic and our ginger. And we're just gonna cook this until it's fragrant. So like 30 seconds. Now we're gonna pour in our soy sauces. So we'll do our regular soy sauce and our dark soy sauce and our chili paste and our rice vinegar. And we're gonna let this bubble and reduce for a minute. Okay, now we're gonna turn off the heat completely. And we're gonna add our honey. So it's 3 tablespoons. And now we are going to coat the paneer. Make sure everything is coated nicely. So all your paneer is coated nicely. It is ready to enjoy. Look at that gloss. The crunch from the rice flour coating combined with this sticky hot honey glaze is just out of this world. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. You can top this with sesame seeds, but we topped it with just spring onions. It's very sticky and beautiful. Crispy and delicious. The full recipe is down in the description box below. If you love this delicious twist on a classic, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I drop fresh, delicious recipes every week, so you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one. Bye!